In today's video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of parsley. Properties of parsley. Did you know that parsley is a nutritional powerhouse? It's a digestive aid, helps rebuild minerals in your body, strengthens bones, flushes out toxins, protects your veins and arteries, and much more. But what makes parsley such a superhero? We can thank its amazing active ingredients, such as vitamins A and B, flavonoids, and its special essential oil. These powerhouses work together to create the impressive list of benefits we are about to explore. Reduces inflammation of tissues due to water retention. For those experiencing fluid buildup, often resulting in swollen legs and discomfort, parsley water offers a potential remedy. The high potassium content in parsley acts as a natural diuretic, stimulating the kidneys to filter and eliminate excess fluids more effectively. This enhanced function leads to reduced water retention, alleviating puffy tissues and improving overall comfort. Furthermore, parsley has cleansing properties that help remove accumulated deposits within the kidneys. Reduces the unwanted effects of heavy meals. Beyond flavor, this humble herb aids digestion after heavy meals. Its carminative properties help break down complex foods, reduce gas, and soothe discomfort. Chewing fresh parsley also combats bad breath with its antibacterial oils. Combats body weakness. Parsley, with its rich mineral and iron content, proves to be a valuable addition in post-convalescence or anemia cases, contributing to improved health through the nutritional benefits it offers. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. In culinary use, which part of parsley serves as the aromatic herb, the roots, the stems, the leaves, the flowers? Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Protects the liver against medications. Studies have found that parsley has a safeguarding effect on the liver, particularly when dealing with medications processed in the liver that might cause harm, like paracetamol. In fact, experiments with rats showed that parsley outperformed a dedicated medication designed for such situations. How to incorporate parsley? Parsley can be enjoyed in various ways to reap its benefits. One common method is making parsley tea, prepared by infusing 10 grams of leaves in boiling water for 5 minutes. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes, then strain and drink, preferably after main meals to aid digestion. The recommended dose is 2 cups a day. For a refreshing twist, try parsley juices. Mix it with other fruits and veggies, such as combining it with spinach and adding pineapple. You can also blend parsley leaves, add lemon and sugar to taste, creating a delightful beverage for mealtime. For skin or external conditions, consider using parsley in poultices. Additionally, you can also buy parsley essential oil, but it's crucial to note that it should not be ingested. Instead, for external use, mix a single drop of essential oil with a vegetable oil to dilute its concentration. Contraindications. While parsley offers various health benefits, there are certain circumstances where caution is advised. People prescribed kidney medications or dealing with heart failure should avoid parsley consumption. Pregnant women should steer clear of highly concentrated parsley preparations, which can induce uterine contractions and pose a risk to the baby. Parsley can also be lethal to parrots and small birds, so make sure to keep it out of their reach. Now, going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. In cooking, parsley leaves are commonly used as an aromatic herb, known for their fresh and slightly spicy flavor. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if you are considering incorporating parsley into your routine. And until next time.